In this video, I transform a typical pole barn into a golf sim studio. Guys, all I did was a 2x4 that spanned the length or the width of the room. I had it simply supported here with some other 2x4s at the 1/3 and 2/3 spots. I came back with the underside of it. I attached what is called the Schlitter system. It's this little rail-like material. It's made for tile flooring. It gives you that nice bevel. But I found, you know what? If you turn it 90 degrees, you can actually fasten that to your 2x4. It works out great. Gives you that plenty of options for attaching your bungees. And so the bungees, here we go. That's what I used. There's a good picture of it right there. Something like that. And I just passed it through the Schlitter system opening. Right there. Actually did not have to put any clamps anywhere else on the sides. Now the bottom, really didn't have to do anything there. I trialed and error, played with it. It's very, very simple design, guys. I have each corner anchored. That's it. All across the top at 1 foot center, 1 foot spacing, and then each corner. And that's it. The program I'm using again is SketchUp, and I'm using the free version. Guys, if you want to have more information on using SketchUp, you can watch my video here, and be sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks. See you later.